Presents from Grandpa and Grandma.
Look, you got clothes. Cute clothes. Look at that. Monster. Oh, look at the little cute clothes. Oh, there's a hanger. How exciting. Look at this. This has basketball on it. That's really cute. Yay. And that's
Those
from
brown
your
pants, the dark brown pants are cute.
Aren't they cute? Did you see this? It's got like little basketballs. Very cute.
And that awesome hanger.
And I know. How did Grandma and Grandpa know you wanted a hanger? Okay. Ready? Oh,
You're gonna throw the hanger over the fence.
oh. I stole it from you. Where are you going? Hey, sis. Yeah. Oh, look, you can play basketball. What's this? You can play basketball. Dunk and cheer basketball. Yay. That's your